Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this video is my humble opinion on the 1/2-inch impact wars, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, for the 1/2-inch impact cordless debate, I can understand if you're doing it 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, you're gonna need to spend the extra money and get the good, better, or best brand or quality. But I'm looking at it as a weekend warrior, DIY kind of guy that's gonna use it maybe, I don't know, 10, 12 times in a month. Do you need to spend the $200+ on one? Or you can get one of these for $100, the Chicago Electric. So I don't know if this is going to come out, but I got my torque wrench set at 110, which is a little more than what the average lug nut should be. So it looks like I'm going to need my extension for this. So let me put my short extension on here. Go to the other side of the camera and torque them down to 110. Camera for you guys. Which is, yeah. They are definitely up there. There you have that. Get back over here on this side. So guys, trying to do this quickly and efficiently as possible. Yeah, I think just for you weekend warriors, someone that wants to carry one of these around in your car, truck, or something like that, probably beats a 4-way anytime. So we're going on the right direction. So 110 by the torque wrench, Chicago Electric 1/2-inch, 18 volt. Don't see any problems. Don't see any problems with that. On the side of the road, get another one here. Hey, took it off. Did it take it off in a 1/2 second? No, it didn't. These things are rusty. Need to put some lube on those. So and one more for the funs of it. you know, all day long. This tire hadn't been off in a long time. So I'm gonna go get some lube and do those, but I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions. As always, be safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.